take her with those little feathers I dropped off right there. Take her that way. Okay. Okay, let her have a little bit of her head. Let her give her some room. Let's see what she does here. She wants to walk in on it a little bit. She's paying attention to me. Go back, just go ahead and go back and go right, the wind change on us right in here. Right where you're at, and there she should be hitting that bird. There, she's got it. She's got it. She's got a lot of point in her. Probably she ain't busting right now. She wants to. Good. Good girl.